Hey guys, it's mhero25 here, and today I got my hands on a wind-up Zenmaister tin at my Walmart for $19.98, which is a lot cheaper than what I've been seeing a lot lately. But yeah, so I decided I'd record this for you guys, and hopefully I can get some good pulls. So I'm just gonna set the camera down here real quick and just open it. I didn't even want to dent the tin. Damn it. So there we go. That's the actual tin right there. So let's open her up. Once you get inside, there's a little pamphlet and what other packs, tins, and other stuff is coming out soon. Photon Shockwave, Hidden Arsenal 5, Legendary Collection 2, and the 2 new tins coming out. Seed stuff, all that jazz. Alright, here we go. Open it up. And the promo cards. I'll open this one last because we all know it's inside. If you don't, well, no big deal. Packs. 2 Storm, 1 Extreme, and 2 Hidden Arsenals. So, and that's the whole tin right there. So here we go. Let's start with the packs. Alright, we're going to work a little differently. Alright, we're going to open the Storm of Ragnarok first, so here we go. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry for the different angles and stuff, since that, I've never opened up packs with this camera before, so I'm just trying to get a new feel for it. And it's a flip still, so, doing this by yourself is pretty hard. Alright. Token Sunday, Watmul, Violon Matter, Sheehan Squire, Symphonic Warrior Piano. Ooh, Forbidden Lance! Ooh, good pull. Cyber Shield, Barrier Resonator, Divine Relic Mjolnir. Alright, now on to our Hidden Arsenals. Don't know what to pull from these, but, if I pull a Trish, that'd be awesome. If I didn't, I already got what I want from this pack. I mean, I already got my guy in Duality, so I'm pretty good. Alright, here we go. General, Ice Barrier, Neo Flameville, Interior Stink Bug, Playable Pegasus, and Strategic Strategist with Ice Barrier. One more pack, and then, whew, come on. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get. Ooh! Synchro off the bat. Dragunity Knight Trident. Yes. Gen X Ally Solid. Dragunity Brandstock. Drac Golem. And Warlock of the Ice Barrier. So far, I got pretty good pulls. I got a. Alright. Now, on to our Extreme Victory. To be honest, I'm hoping out a lot on this one. I've been wanting some Tengus lately, and if I pull anything else, it'd be good. But, Tengus. But, what are the chances? Alright. It's getting very suspenseful. I didn't even need to look at it, so here we go. Morphtronic, TGMI, Mental Seeker, Glad Beast, Brain Hazard, Power Gladiator, nice. Reboot, Clock Resonator, and Tyrant Tantrum. Alright, cool. Alright, now onto our promo cards. No big deal, like, oh yeah, we all know it's RDNB, so Wind Up, Neo, the Sky Paladin, Arc Lord Christia, Gaia, which I needed desperately, and a Pot of Duality. And there we go. Quick overview real quick of the good pulls I got. I mean, out of this tin, I was surprised I pulled 2 synchros, and you know, all the stuff I did pull, like, I was pretty happy with it, you know. Oh, like 3 of the best pulls out of this whole tin: Gladiator, Dragudity, and a Forbidden Lance. That was lucky, and that was really good. And all I really wanted from this tin was simply the Gaia. All I wanted. This is the only card I really wanted to get my E-Hero deck almost done. Alright, well, that's it, guys. Questions, comments, and concerns. If you want anything, you know, trade anything, let me know. I'm just gonna ask a friend to do it for me, though, alright? Thanks, guys. Bye.